directions. Southbound, you'll find it blocked near 17th Avenue, and northbound traffic is currently being diverted as you approach Cemetery Hill. In the northeast, a major closure. Memorial Drive is still shut down in both directions between Deerfoot and Crowchild Trails. As well, the lights continue to be on red flash in the northwest on 14th Street and 5th Avenue. A couple of people wondering about the highways. Right now, the Trans-Canada is shut down from just east of Canmore to Banff. Highway 1 has reopened between Golden and Banff, but only to smaller vehicles. Highway 1A is currently closed from Exshaw through to Lake Louise. Highway 40 into Kananaskis is closed. Highway 22 is closed between Black Diamond and Turner Valley, and the traffic circle at the junction of Highway 22 and Highway 8 is partially submerged, but it is open. East of the city, the bridges over the Bow remain closed on Highways 24 near Carsland, 547 north of Arrowwood, and 842 near Gleason. If you see problems